Hi everyone, this is the second part of Opiria&PDATA video review. In it we'll talk about the token and the project team. As we see, token sale will end in 14 July. Already was raised more than $13 million. Hard cap is $30 million. Price for one token is 10 cents. The company does not mention which public exchange the token will be available on, but states that it will regularly the tokens back in order to continue paying users for their participation. The company explains that it will use revenue from the ICO to fund a marketing campaign to recruit new users, driving up the token's value by creating demand for it. The data token provides utility for both the companies and the consumers. Companies need data tokens in order to purchase personal data from consumers, respectively, to send them service. Consumers earn data tokens by selling their personal data and by participating in surveys. Owning data tokens increases the likelihood for a consumer to receive a personal data request from a company earlier than other consumers that own less data tokens. This gives consumers with more data tokens on average a small time advantage to sell their data to companies. Utility for companies: buy consumers' personal data from the database with data tokens. Spend data tokens to send services to consumers and receive specific personal data. Utility for consumers: receive data tokens for selling personal data. Receive data tokens for participating in surveys. Holding data tokens increases likelihood for receiving a personal data request from companies. Let's talk about the token distribution. As we see, 60% of the coins is used for the TGE. Also, development fund is 13% will be used for data purchase and community development. Company and team 20%, advisors 5%, and bounty 2%. Let's speak about the team. Christian Lange. Christian has a strong scientific and engineering background. He obtained a master's in science mechanical engineering and a PhD in human factors and ergonomics. Both his masters in science and his PhD in human factors and ergonomics come from the Technical University of Munich. His scientific career has led to 40 publications, 35 talks on international conferences, and 2 patents. In 2008, he obtained the prestigious Stoibel Prize from the Bavarian Dipt of the Interior for his important work in autonomous driving and traffic safety. He was also head of the task force for ISO measurement of driver visual behavior with respect to transport information and control system, a globally accepted standard which is used worldwide from all automotive OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers as well as universities and research institutes. Christian has a broad track record of entrepreneurship. In 2005, he founded Ergonix GmbH. Engineers GmbH initially started as a sole eye tracking company manufacturing eye tracking hardware and related software. Next, Marilyn Gage. Marilyn obtained a master's in computer science from the Friedrich Alexander Universität in Erlangen-Nuremberg. Her specialties includes scalable software architecture, database design, computer vision requirement engineering, and management of international software teams. She has a proven track record of managing the software development department of companies with internationally successful software products. Her early experience includes working as software developer and requirement manager at Siemens AG Healthcare Division, being responsible for software architecture and machine vision algorithms for Siemens mammography solutions. In 2007, Marilyn joined Ergonis GmbH in its early startup days. She was head of the software development department from 2007 until 2015. During that time, she managed an internal team of software developers and testers as well as several offshore software devices suppliers. Under the responsibility of Marilyn, the software products the lab grew into an internationally successful complete data acquisition and analysis platform with more than 1,000 B2B consumers. Marilyn was born and grew up in Romania and later moved to Germany. Let's tell about advisors. Ismail Malik, founder and CEO Blockchain Lab. Ismail Malik, a self-stated social engineer and PR engineer, is a editor-in-chief of the world's first and foremost publication on initial coin offerings, has over 20 years experience in technology-related startups and entrepreneurship and is among the leading experts in blockchain. Ismail is the founder and CEO of the world's first blockchain lab, was an innovator in the deployment of smart ledgers and smart contracts, and is the supply chain of blockchain consulting for Chainix. He was also the founder of the Credits Protocol and director of the IDS Lab for College Space, which created a learning hub between Cambridge and London, decentralized tech lab for space and noise-intensive application. And Sam Lee, director of research of Strategic Coin. Sam is the director of research of Strategic Coin, where he is developing a new standard for the way information is reported and disseminated in the cryptocurrency market. He has an extensive background in the debt and equity markets, and his prior experience includes the portfolio management group at the Lehman estate, where he was involved in restructuring value and liquidating the estates $10 billion distressed loan and equity assets. He has also worked as an investment and research analyst for a $4 billion global long-shorts equity fund. Sam, Sam holds an MBA from Columbia University and received a BS in finance and accounting from New York University. Here you can see also partners. At this moment I want to finish my video. It was the second part. So thank you for watching. See you.